Good morning to one and all. So, myself is Adarsh Agrawal. I'm the assistant professor in Department of Computer Science, APS College of Engineering, Bangalore. So, I will be explaining the coding program, develop a program using the pointers to compute the sum, mean, and the standard deviation of all the elements stored in an array of n real numbers. So, here first and foremost thing is the pointers. Pointers is a variable which shows the address of another variable, and we should know the concept of array. Array is a collection of elements having same data type, and also uh, real numbers. So real means fully floating point numbers. So here the array of n elements will be stored using the pointers, and after that one, by using the array of n elements using the pointers, we have to calculate the sum, mean, and the standard deviation for all the respective array of n real numbers. So the first and foremost thing is the value of the n will be displayed. The value of the n can be any number. Depending upon the value of the n, the array of the elements will be displayed. And after the array of the elements will be displayed, we have to calculate the sum and the mean and the standard deviation of all the elements using the pointer. So I'll be explaining that program by using the Turbo C compiler. So here Ash include std.h, conio.h, and the math.h will be used because we have used the POV function where POV function is present in the math.h. What means the float a of 10, the as we have said real numbers a of 10, and the pointers will be used. Mean, standard deviation, sum initially will be 0, sum standard will be 0, and the n I will be used for the for loop, and n will be used to, for the how many number of elements to be used, the variables which has been used or displayed, and after that one enter the number of elements. So here spanner percentage the ampersand of n, where the value of n will be given. Enter the array elements, and using the for loop, as we have set real numbers, the scanner array will store all the elements according to the value of the n, and so initially address of the initially first element of the array will have one address, and the address of the A will be stored in the pointer. So now the pointer is equal to address of the first element of the array. Then we are using the for loop where we will be calculating the sum uh, sum of all the array elements using the pointers, and mean is equal to sum divided by n, where that is the formula. Again, whenever if you want to calculate from the standard deviation, so again the first element of the array has to be um, stored has to be stored in the pointer, where whenever if you want to calculate the standard deviation, we should calculate right from the beginning of the array of the elements. That's why initial array element should be A, and A, the value of address of the first element of the array will be stored in the pointer. So then we are using the for loop where sum standard is equal to, so sum standard plus pow star pointer minus mean comma 2 pointer plus plus, where it is used to calculate the sum standard deviation. And then we have used the standard deviation is equal to square root of sum standard divided by n. So then printf some value, the some value will be displayed, and the mean value will also be displayed, and the standard deviation value will also be displayed. So I will be just compiling the program, compiling the program. So we have to say enter the number of elements, 5. I will say 5. Enter the array elements. Since I have given 5, the value of m will be 5. Array elements 1, 5. Only 5 elements has to be entered. So then it will be calculating by using the array of n elements, by using the pointers. Some value is 28, and the mean value is 5.6. Standard deviation is 2.653. Since we have restricted to 0.3 here, so usually after point, it will be displayed only the 3 number decimal value. So this is how the pointer program will work. This is how the pointer program will work. So I will be explaining the next program. So thank you.